Crypto affiliate marketing. What I wish I knew. Did you know that the crypto affiliate marketing industry is projected to reach over $4 billion by 2028? That's insane. It's a rapidly growing space with huge potential, but it's also super competitive, and honestly, when I first got started, I made a ton of mistakes. I didn't really understand the space, I jumped into the first program I could find, and I had no idea how to actually market anything. So in this video, I'm breaking down the biggest lessons I've learned over the past few years. We're diving deep into everything from understanding the basics of cryptocurrency to choosing the right affiliate programs and even how to stay ahead of the game in this constantly changing market. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, this video is packed with practical tips and actionable advice to help you crush it with crypto affiliate marketing. Alright, first things first. You absolutely need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency. I know it can seem daunting with all the technical jargon and complicated concepts, but trust me, you don't need to be an expert to get started. Start by understanding the fundamentals. What is cryptocurrency? How does it work? What's a blockchain? There are tons of free resources available online. Check out CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, or even just search for beginner's guides on YouTube. Once you have a grasp of the basics, dive into the different types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Each one has unique features and use cases. It's also important to learn about wallets, where you'll store your cryptocurrency, and exchanges, where you can buy, sell, and trade. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world. The more you understand the underlying technology and market dynamics, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and effectively market crypto affiliate products. Let's talk about choosing the right affiliate programs. This is where I messed up big time when I first started. I joined the first program I came across without doing my research. Don't be like me. First, consider your niche. What are you passionate about in the crypto space? Are you interested in DeFi, NFTs, or maybe trading? Focusing on a specific area will help you identify relevant programs and target the right audience. Next, look into the program's reputation. Research the company, read reviews, and make sure they have a good track record of paying their affiliates on time. You're putting in the work, so you deserve to get paid fairly. Don't forget to compare commission structures. Look for programs that offer competitive rates, whether it's a one-time payout or recurring commissions. And pay attention to cookie durations. A longer cookie duration means you'll still earn commissions, even if the referral doesn't make a purchase right away. Chapter 3. Building your crypto crew. Your online presence is key. You can't just sign up for an affiliate program and expect money to magically appear in your bank account. You need to build a strong online presence and connect with your target audience. Start by creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could be anything from blog posts and articles to videos and social media updates. Focus on educating your audience about cryptocurrency and the specific products or services you're promoting. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Engage with your followers, participate in relevant discussions, and build relationships with influencers in the crypto space. You can even consider running targeted ad campaigns to reach a wider audience. And remember, consistency is key. Regularly create and share valuable content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Chapter 4. Risk Management 101. Don't get wrecked. Let's face it, the crypto world can be a wild ride. It's important to be aware of the potential risks and take steps to manage them effectively. One of the biggest risks is market volatility. We've all seen how quickly crypto prices can fluctuate, so it's crucial to diversify your investments and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Security is another major concern. With crypto, you're responsible for your own security, so it's essential to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. And then there's regulation. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about any changes that could impact your affiliate marketing efforts. Chapter 5. Staying ahead of the game, trends and regulations. The crypto world moves at the speed of light. New trends emerge all the time, and regulations are constantly evolving. So how do you stay ahead of the game? First, be a sponge for information. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow thought leaders on social media, and attend virtual or in-person crypto events. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Don't be afraid to experiment with new platforms and technologies. Whether it's a new social media platform or a cutting-edge marketing tool, always be on the lookout for ways to innovate and reach your target audience more effectively. And finally, remember that building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. There's no magic shortcut. Be patient, stay persistent, and never stop learning. Now go crush it. So there you have it. My top tips for success in crypto affiliate marketing. It's an exciting space with huge potential, but it's important to go in with your eyes wide open. Remember to do your research, choose your partners carefully, and always prioritize security. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And be sure to let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was, and what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. I've also included some helpful resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out for more information. Thanks for watching.